Well, hello Rust and Derelict Textures fans and aficionados of old gear. It's been a while. So today we're out here at Snass Lake, about an hour away from Bella Bella. Got a little bit of downtime on the road project. And no, this is not lost or abandoned. This is the stuff that we're meant to be working with at some point. Got an old D-8. Just a little bit tired, an oldie. One day it'll be a goodie again. Got some head gasket issues, some other stuff, general kind of wear and tear on the old girl, a few leaks, a few cross-contaminations of fluids. Nothing that can't be fixed with a little tender, loving care. The whine you hear is 330C road builder up on the hill. We'll get a picture of that later. This just came in on the barge, I think about a week ago. Used it to pull the powder magazine off the barge. Done a couple other chores since then. Now it's parked here. Old school open cab cat. We'll probably still get some chores out of it. Get it to do something good for us. And an old Kenworth fat truck. These are fun. It's actually physically in not bad shape, you know. Kind of a good looking old school pair sitting there. Not too bad at all. The weather's actually been pretty good here. It's been cold, very, very cold. But this is a nice day here now. Out in the sun, it's if you were moving about and working, you could be t-shirt weather. And the noise of that pump that 330 is making, I know you're questioning that, but it's been doing that for, well, months now. It hasn't died yet. Let's take a boo and see what's inside the cab, eh? Bunch of glare from the sun. The basic stuff. Automatic. All the good stuff. All the things that are good and wonderful about a big old Kenworth truck. Some WD sitting on the hood. I think somebody was probably trying to use that for go juice. Or, as my favorite comment from a little while ago, somebody called ether a can of start you bastard. Got a little bit of wear in the tires. Needs a little TLC. Should be good. Got the big front bumper set up. Probably, what would they be doing that? They'd be pushing, maybe pushing a low bed with that, or doing something, snubbing up against something and pushing. So I'm going to walk out over here. I'll show you where the hoe and the rock truck are. Then we'll come around. I'll take some still pictures.